How to fix WhatsApp verification code problem on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and check your internet connection. Make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also go ahead and enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then go ahead and open WhatsApp and make sure that you have entered the phone number in correct format. Make sure to include your country code for your specific country and also make sure not to add extra zeros or spaces after the code. Next, launch the Settings application on your device again and tap on Focus and then on Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure you have not enabled Do Not Disturb mode on your device. Now go back to Settings and tap on the search bar and search for Phone. Further, scroll down and tap on the Silence Unknown Colors option you see there and make sure Silence Unknown Colors is disabled. Also, tap on the messages option there and then tap on unknown senders to see if the SMS landed there. If the issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a simple restart often resets the messaging network link. Now, reopen WhatsApp and retry the verification. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and launch the Settings application again and tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Further, tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Now go ahead and enter your iPhone's passcode and reset network settings. Next, once reset, go ahead and reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular. This will reset Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, but will fix the SMS delivery blocks. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can go ahead and contact your carrier service, or you can also contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp verification code problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.